actually want to talk to you about my whole like birth control experience. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing. Okay, I haven't vlogged a lot today at all, but Sasha's here, Joey's here, and we just saw them filming Handmaid's Tale, and I said, praise be, and then a woman looks at me and goes, under his eye. She hates me, but it had to be done. Had to be done. I'm going to get my blood taken because I was supposed to do this a month ago and I didn't. So I have to do this from a naturopath, but I'm not gonna, maybe I'll film it. Maybe Sasha will film it. No. Lots of things available. Happy Tuesday! It is 8:30 and I'm taking my car in to get fixed because it's been broken for like a month, and then I couldn't get an appointment because it's like winter tire season. So my dad, who like has some hookups, hooked me up and I have to go because I'm gonna be late now. But I finally get my car taken in and it's so dirty and it needs to be detailed and I have so much garbage in here and it's like kind of embarrassing to drop it off. I'm like, it's just gonna be embarrassing. I had like, it's just embarrassing, but I gotta go because I'm gonna be late. My mouth is so dry. We're at the beaches, so we came to Tori's Bake Shop for breakfast. My favorite place, the beaches. I'm having a gluten-free vegan spoon. We're having cookies. Not the healthiest, but really good. It's chilly. So many people, I'm sure we can say that.
Is it cold?
Oh god, it really is. Okay, we're in our house. This is really close. But we're just like measuring stuff. I'm thinking here, this is like the hallway, putting just a little jut out console table for more storage, and then I think that this third bathroom is gonna be my bathroom. I'm thinking, Joey, right here. Yeah.
I don't even know. What direction is that?
Like how far out do you think you just came out of a movie?
It's snowing. Oh, you can't even see it on the camera. This is the second snowfall. Yeah. Second snowfall that I've seen.
What are you drinking?
Coffee, I'm so clumsy.
Guys, this is Santa Cruz photo.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's nice. What a nice person to shoot.
Good morning and happy Wednesday. Joey left for Paris last night, so we just spent a little time together before he left, so I didn't end my day yesterday, but that's okay because today's Wednesday. What do I have to do today? I actually have to write a blog post and I have to write a brief for a brand. So I'm actually gonna head to a coffee shop because I'm feeling a little claustrophobic in my really messy apartment. Starting to get my stuff together to move. You guys saw yesterday that we went to the apartment to measure. So starting to get my shit together to move, and I'm actually thinking of using this company called Frogbox. I will show it to you before I leave. So Frogbox, I don't know if you've ever heard of it. I don't know if it's like worldwide. I literally just heard of it. Let's do this. Frogbox. This is not sponsored. I just thought this was really cool. They like deliver your boxes to you, then you pack, and then they pick up the boxes, which is so epic because it's eco-friendly and I don't have to recycle the boxes. And they have like, you know, biodegradable mattress covers, they have dollies, like they have everything that you need, and then they pick everything up at the end. So I think I'm gonna use that, and I think I'm gonna rent the boxes for like a month so that I can move slowly. It's gonna be, it looks like it's a Canadian company and they have them all over Canada. Let's see, I think I'll need 30 boxes. 1-bedroom apartment, 30 boxes. And then you can actually pick how long, I'm pretty sure. I can get like a wardrobe box, I can get a dolly, and then that just like adds on to your order. But I think it's gonna be about like $200. And I'm moving everything myself, I'm not getting a moving truck. So $200 to move is like not bad. They have moving blankets. And you can actually rent a mover for $500 for 3 hours. I don't need that, but that's cool. And then now I'm gonna go to a coffee shop. I'm gonna go to Portland Variety because I don't have that many more weeks left of going to Portland, and they literally know me. Every time I go there, they're like, hey, how are you? Coffee black? I'm like, yep, you know me. So I'm just gonna get ready and do that. I promised in our new house we won't have a pile of clothes in front of the mirror every time I want to do it after the day. There's no room. That's actually all laundry. It needs to be folded. So, okay. Boots. I'm wearing my Jeffrey Campbell boots. Just wearing black Topshop JB jeans. This coat is from Mango. I'm wearing an Uncle oversized, well, I'm wearing an Uncle T in an extra large. And then I'm wearing my Nanushka bag. I don't know how cold it is, but I'm guessing it's freezing. I am home. I got some goodies. I just got one of the Way hair perfumes. I don't know if it's hair perfume or perfume, but I think I sprayed too much. It's kind of just like in my nose now. It smells nice. I really want to try the Gizou hair perfume. Okay, I got these dark peppermint bark because I feel like I miss out on peppermint stuff. That looks really fucked. I feel like I miss out on peppermint stuff because I can't actually have chocolate. So this is dark. And it's dairy free. And soy free and gluten free. Oh. Honestly, not very good. It's very bitter. Okay, well, at least they're not so good that I'm gonna eat like 100 of them. All right, y'all, I worked out. I did an ab workout because I'm really working on my abs lately. I don't know what that means, but I'm really trying to up my ab game because I was feeling a little weak in the core section, so that's what I've been doing. And then I ordered a salad. It has a lot of good stuff in it. It has kale, beets, red pepper, avocado, quinoa, carrots, and that had some chicken on it, and it has pomegranate seeds, and it has these like raisins or these currants. I think currants. Oh, it has a lot of good stuff. You can get it no chicken if you're vegan. Sorry, I'm being choked by my hair. Sometimes when I order a salad, or like not when I order a salad, when I'm eating a salad, I feel like that woman on the TLC show gags when she eats vegetables, you know? I wish that I could be like, I love healthy food. Oh my god, like leaves all day. All I want to do is eat leaves. Like, that's not me, you know? Like sometimes, like I like feeling good. I like eating healthy, but I don't know. Sometimes the taste, it's not even the taste. I actually can't describe it because I like the taste. I would just rather eat pasta. I think that's it for me for today. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Well, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Thursday. Oh man, my apartment right now is like overflowing, and I know that I am blessed to receive product. I know I'm moving, but I just like, I don't have anywhere to put anything. I don't have anywhere to store product. I don't know how. I mean, I feel like you have to live in like the States and have a big house. Drawers won't close. Product is like just every time, because I had it all here, but every time I put my, like push my clothes, product falls down on the ground. That's the giveaway box. It's just nuts. And then I also have a box of product here. And then I also have a box of products. I think Sasha's gonna come hopefully over today and sort through this product because it's just a lot and I just keep getting more and I don't have anywhere to put it. Oh, I don't have like those big, I live in 500 square feet, you know? You're not supposed to have this much shit if you live in 500 square feet. Anyway, I'm having my first coffee of the day a little bit later because I ate first before my coffee. So I just made a coffee. Oh, and I have to go pick up my car. My car, I don't know what happened, but I have to spend $2,000 on it. Something cracked or broke. I don't know. So happy Thursday! Gotta go spend $2,000 on my car. Basically wearing the same thing as yesterday because I am lazy and didn't want to think of another outfit. So wearing the same sweater. I am wearing my white ALC jeans that everyone loves, but they are unavailable. My ASOS like chunky boots, same jacket and same fanny pack. Pretty into it. I'm gonna actually go, sorry, I'm still getting used to this camera. I'm actually gonna go get a coffee and then call an Uber. Back in the baby. These guys are literally the best. I go to Spiros and Sons. It's in the beaches. And he just informed me that his daughter watches my YouTube videos. So hi, if your dad owns Spiros and Sons. Hi. Okay, so this is my giveaway box, and we're just gonna go through it and see what like Sasha wants, what friends and family want, and then I'm gonna give away stuff for homeless shelters, and then maybe have a pile for what I can give away to you guys. I'm wearing my coat because we're taking a photo. How cute is this? We're at the Indigo pop-up, and we're just hanging out in the Christmas market. So if you are in the Christmas market, you should come to the Indigo pop-up. Oh my god!
We truly believe in the sentiment behind gift giving and the power of human connection, whether that's a new book from a favorite author or a product that evokes a beautiful memory.
Some hookah, like lighting, blankets, like 1992. 1992. Yeah, that's when I came out. Oh my god, I used to do these books all the time. We had like so many of them, and they're so creepy. Like, what the fuck is that? Wow, I'm having like crazy. Okay, this one, I actually like did this one. It's like really old school. This, everyone had this book. I wonder if my mom threw these all out. See it. It's snowing. Is it the third time? Third time it's snowed, I think? I feel like this is the first like real time though. Okay, we just had a meeting and then we went to the Eaton Center because the Uber is really expensive.
By accident.
And it's fucking the Christmas tree lighting in here and it's like an actual club. It's club night at the Eaton Center.
It's hype.
But we're waiting for Uber because it's literally a snowstorm outside today. Oh my god. First of all, happy Friday. I did a foot mask last week and forgot. And I looked down at my foot and like, look at it. I did a that baby foot. I did a baby foot mask and like, my skin is just peeling off now and I totally forgot that I did it. So I just like looked down and my foot is just like peeling off. It's disgusting. But if you haven't tried a baby foot mask before, oh my god, they're so good. Good morning from a slightly hungover me. I don't know, man. Getting old. Hangovers are just easier to get and worse. Sorry, I had to change my card. I had like maybe 3 glasses of wine. I didn't eat enough. That's definitely the problem. I didn't eat enough yesterday. But I had like 3 glasses of wine and I'm like foggy as hell. So, 25, feeling alive. So, I had my electrolytes, drank some coffee, and I will have some water and an Advil. But damn, the hangover is real. I'm just such a lightweight now because I don't drink anymore. Like I never drink. Like when we go for dinner and stuff, like I don't really drink. So, yeah. So I'm wearing this duvet coat. I don't know if I'm being over dramatic with this outfit, but I mean, it's snowing, so excuse the mess. Wearing this duvet coat from Aritzia in white, and I love it. It's like it's an actual duvet. Then I wear my Club Monaco sweatshirt with a little button down underneath, and then my Chloe boots and black pants. I think maybe just because like I'm feeling off. I feel like I look off, but honestly, whatever. I'm going to the Burton preview because I missed it. Because I'm an idiot. And then I have some work to do, so. Who wants to bang out some work? It's like something I said a lot in my last video. People started a drinking game over. Being a YouTuber is fun. I have to go to the bank too. I gotta go. For Allegra. Okay, we just got home. Gosh, is also here, right there. And we were at Soho doing emails and working on some campaigns, so I obviously couldn't show you. And now I have an interview for the Western Gazette for my alma mater. Is that what it's called? Alma mater? Alma mater. So not very professional to take my camera and be like, hey, look what I'm doing. So I will see you after. Tarte sent me this hat. Oh, it really, really smells. But it has gloves too.
Does it just smell new or what?
It smells like wet.